once again, I want to just give you an update of the things we've been talking about, discussing, and you remember that in most of the videos I've posted lately, they are 5 minute videos, and it is because of the advantages that 5 minutes has over 1 minute. Most of the videos you see on the YouTube, they are 1 minute, and sometimes because they are 1 minute, it could make you to become a little bit very greedy and be too in a hurry because you see somebody making money in 1 minute. There is nothing wrong with to work like that. You can make money 1 minute. Some even can trade 30 seconds. But you see, for you to be able to understand that there are certain things you can do at the initial stage of your journey of trading, and there are certain things you should not even do. If you've not become very conversant, you have mastered your strategy, 1 minute might be very, very dangerous for you because of the challenges with 1 minute. Sometimes it can jump, sometimes it can be a late entry, and your predictions might be right, but eventually you lose your trade. Sometimes for some of you who will trade what is it called? You are trading digital, you can trade and it ends in tie. So all of these things are, and if it ends in tie, you have lost the trade. So I'm suggesting 5 minutes because with 5 minutes, it gives you advantages. Like disadvantages that you might place a trade and not even realize that there is a level. You have lost it, you wonder why did you lose it? Because there was a level. In 5 minutes, you have enough time as it's going, you check your levels, and sometimes you can avoid late entries and all of that. So, but this morning's video is just to show you that my strategy works for both 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, even 15 minutes. You can use it depending on which one suits you very well. That is why I'm recording this video to show you that it works all. Now to this one this morning is a 5 minute. You can see that. So this is one of my pullbacks. Okay, like I've been talking about pullbacks, and then this is also a pullback. You can see the trend is up. I don't want to be giving much details. You have to contact me. So this is a pullback too. This is a pullback trade. You see the pullback, and then this is not a pullback. Okay, this is a trend continuation, but I did this one in 1 minute for you to see, and it was a sure trade. That's why I decided to put two. Okay, and you even see that one of the 1 minute was like a late entry. Okay, you can see that here. So then this one is also 1 minute to show you that this thing works. Okay, this is a continuation because I've seen a level here. So this is just to show you that this strategy works in all platforms, and it's like 90%. You can trust it with like 90% accuracy if you pay attention and the rules. Like I said, you can see the trend, the level can. So please, I'm showing this video. I want you to share with your friends and I can invite your friends to join the channel because good things are going to be coming up soon, and I want you to be part of it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a wonderful trading day and week.